guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Hollister jeans again, but this time they're mum jeans. So I've got quite a lot of pairs to get through. So most of them are nice denim blue, and then I also have kind of like an acid wash grey. So they do come in multiple colours, so you can kind of use this as a guide to see how they fit, and then if you want them in other colours you should be able to find them. But I'll make sure everything's linked down below in the order I try them on, just so we can keep things organised. So I got all of these jeans in a size 3 regular fit, which usually equates to a waist 26 and a length 28, definitely not 38, my legs are not that long, but I'll put my measurements down below as well, just so you can compare if that's useful. So let's get to it. So the first pair of jeans I got is this pair, so let me just undo it. Let's have a look. So these are called the ultra high rise mum jean. So these are a length 27, unusual. So these are an inch shorter than the usual, but they look like this. So they're that typical mum jean shape, but they're not too loose at the base. So they are kind of tapered in a little bit. The waist, I mean, I'm not going to judge it until it's on me, because I find with mum jeans, as they have very little stretch, I mean, these ones have a tiny bit of stretch, which could be lovely. I always think the waist looks big, and then I get them on and it's absolutely fine. So let's just see if I can wedge myself into these and then go from there. Guys, I am obsessed with how these jeans fit. They were the easiest pair of mum jeans I have ever put on. Like, there was no wiggle. They just were a perfect fit, and they have that like tiny bit of stretch within them. They're so comfortable. Like, they're gonna be the nicest things to wear ever. Like, and can we just appreciate they even fit so nice on the curves. Like, they don't flatten anything. They're just a really nice pair of jeans. I really rate these. I love the colour as well. Only thing I would say, in a size 3 regular, which is what I got, let me just double check. Yeah, size 3 regular, the length of them is about an inch too short for me. So I would size up in these. So I think I'm going to try the next size up. So just keep that in mind, because I love everything else about them, but they're like an inch too short. But I know some people with mum jeans prefer them shorter, especially if you're going to wear like cute shoes with them. But I just want them to be that 1 inch longer, and then they're perfect. Like, I love the fact they're not like literally spray painted on my legs like most skinny jeans are. They're just proper jeans, but still a really nice fit. Like, I really rate these. And the waist isn't that bad. Like, the waist is pretty much my waist. You know, I could wear a belt with them, but I think I prefer them just like this, actually. I think they're really cute, and they're not going to fall down. Like, I'm not worried about that, but just look at that. These are just the nicest fitting mum jeans ever. Like, I can crouch all the way down. I can leg up. Like, Hollister have nailed mum jeans. Like, seriously, if you haven't yet, just order a few and try them. I don't think you'll regret it. Like, these are the nicest fitting mum jeans I put on. I'm so excited to try on the rest now. Like, look at that. Like, they're just fabulous jeans. I'm obsessed with these. I love them. Just double check the length. That's my only piece of advice. Apart from that, knock yourself out. The next pair of jeans I got, they're also called the ultra high rise mum jeans, just like the previous pair, but these ones are meant to be a slightly different colour, and I think they looked more different online, but now that I've got them, they look very similar. So these, I think, are like an acid wash. Oh, you can kind of see it. Can you see they've got like lines all down it? It's kind of got an unusual texture to it. And then the bottoms of these ones are kind of like raw edge, rather than neatly done. So, oh, you can see more of the colour now that I've opened them. So you can see like the acid wash effect. I really like the colour of these. I think this can look really nice styled. Like, I'm not normally one for distressed jeans, but when it's acid wash, I like it. I can work with that. So I really like the kind of style of these. So let's see how these fit. So again, the length of these is a 27. So I don't know if maybe with their mum jeans they are just a length 27, whereas with their normal skinny jeans they tend to do a length 28. So maybe that's just what they do. But I love the colour of these, so let's see how they fit. So this is how they fit, and I really love how they look on. They're such an effortless fit. Like, they were just so easy to get on. I have zero faults for these. Like, they're so flattering. I mean, just look at that. I'm just obsessed with this fit jean. Like, seriously, try these. They are the best mum jean I have ever put on, and I don't feel restricted at all. Like, they're so comfortable, Just, again, same issue as the first pair is length, but I think that's going to be an issue with all the ones I got apart from the last pair. So you just kind of have to keep it in mind what length you get. So these did tell me they were a length 27 and I am normally a length 28, 29. So just bear that in mind when you're shopping. But apart from that, I mean, look at the fit of these. Like, they're mum jeans and they fit like that. Like, yes please. And the waist could be slightly tighter, but really it sits flat to my back, so I have no complaints. Like, it's not doing that bucket back thing. So it sits nice and flat, it's not like going out. So no, I love these. And I think this is a really fun kind of style, like the acid wash. Like, I think it could look really fun in kind of spring, summer. So no, love them. This is the next pair I'm going to try for you guys. So I believe these are high-waisted as well. So let's just get into the bag. Ooh. It's like Christmas all over again. So these are a slightly different cut. So they have kind of rolled up bottoms to them. And these are ripped. So you can see here, they've got quite a lot of rip. So you've got a lot around the knees and then bits and bobs on the thighs. So if this is your kind of style, then I think these are quite fun actually. I like the fact, I don't like it when ripped jeans are concentrated just on the knee. Like, I kind of think it has to be more, you know, the style needs to be consistent throughout the jean. So I don't mind these too much, and I kind of like the fact that the threads aren't, you know, bleach white. They're kind of like creamy. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but they look more subtle than like bam, if that makes sense. But these could be quite cute actually, with like a nice little crop top. I can see these working quite nicely. So that's what they look like. Let's go put them on and see how they fit. This is how they look on, and I've got to say, I'm not mad at these ones. I like the fact they've got this kind of folded base here. Because they are a tiny bit short for me, the folded base just makes them look like I've just rolled them up. So I like the length of these. I would probably, you know, stick with these in this size. But I'm not sold on the rips. I'm not a massive fan of ripped jeans, but I love the fit of these jeans. So if I was going to go for any pair of ripped mum jeans, these ones definitely tick the box. But it's just, I don't know, there's just something about rips that when I look in the mirror I just can't take myself seriously. But I love it on other people. It's a really strange thing, ripped jeans. But these fit beautifully, and I like how they go very slim round my ankles, but they're not tight anywhere. They're just a really flattering kind of fit. So I really rate these. If these are your kind of style, I mean, you won't regret the fit of these. They are so comfortable, easy to get on and easy to move in. Like, you really take for granted with mum jeans being able to like sit down for long periods of time, and these aren't going to cut off any blood circulation when you sit. So 10 out of 10 for that. But the rips just take some getting used to, but I can actually move my legs in these ones. Sometimes with ripped jeans, I feel like I can't bend my knee without having to rip them further. And I know that's just the fabric adjusting to my shape, but these ones are actually already kind of very easy to move in. So, no, I don't mind these. I don't. But let me know what you think. But this is how they fit. This next pair I am so excited for because they're embroidered with little roses all over and I just love it. So let's take them out the bag and see what we're dealing with. So I think they do these jeans in 2 colours. So if you're not a fan of this blue, they do it in a darker one, I believe. But look, they've got like these little roses embroidered all over the legs. And I just think, how cute is that? Especially for like springtime. I just love it. So this is what they look like. So they're just your typical kind of mum jeans. They look like a good length. They are again a length 27. But I just hope they look good. They're either gonna work or they're gonna not look good on me, but we'll see. But I like how they do their like tailoring. You can see here it kind of goes into a V on the butt, which I think is just gonna flatter the curves really. So no, I really like these. I love the little extra addition of this leather tag up here. So these have potential. Let's see how they fit. So this is what they look like on, and I mean, they are so cute. Like, they're such an easy fit. They are a little bit on the bigger side, so I do notice these ones have a slightly larger waist than the previous ones, but not by much. They still fit my hips and legs lovely, so with a cute belt and a cute crop top, I think it'll be so nice for spring and summer. And I just love the little embroidery of the roses. I think it's a really subtle, but just something a bit different. Like, from a distance, it kind of just looks like polka dots. and then up close you'll see that they're roses, which I think is really cute. And funny enough, the length of these ones is actually perfect. So I know now that I've lifted my leg up, they don't look perfect, but if I walk backwards, like, you can kind of see like these ones sit bang at the base of my legs. So you couldn't get more perfect length jeans for me anyway. And these are a length 27. So these ones are slightly different fit to the previous ones, but just keep that in mind when ordering, that these ones probably have an extra inch in the length area than the first few pairs I showed you guys. But I mean, they're really cute and they fit lovely. Like for mum jeans, I'm really surprised at how well Hollister jeans fit. Like look, they're just such an easy fit. Like normally my butt is squished so much because there's not enough fabric around this area, and it's not the case with these. These fit beautifully. So I've got to say, I am so impressed with Hollister's mum jeans. So if Hollister is watching right now, well done to your team, because you have nailed the fit of these. Like normally jeans, it's hard to find like non-stretchy styles that actually fit, but you've done it. You've nailed it. And I say non-stretchy, I think they do have a tiny bit of give, more so than like really, really solid denim. But overall, they're not that stretchy, but I'm not restricted at all. So no, I really like these. And then finally, I thought I'd end with the grey ones because it's been quite a lot of blue, hasn't it? So I thought I'd shake it up and try a different colour. So let's just open them up. It's very hard, some of the sellotape they use. It's like industrial. Well, it is industrial, isn't it? Makes sense, Emma, well done. So these are their curvy high-rise jeans. So these are curvy mum jeans. So I'm excited to see how they've kind of taken into account curves with these, because mum jeans, they're a fabulous style, but if you're a little bit on the curvy side, they can be a nightmare because there's no stretch in the jeans. So it's kind of like, how do you even sit down with no stretch in the jeans? So it's all about the fit, and there is a tiny bit of give in these. I wouldn't call it stretch because it's very little, but it does exist. And these I got in a 3L. I probably did that by accident because I'm normally a regular. So these are the length 29, but to be honest, that looks pretty good. So maybe I did it on purpose actually. I think these are a shorter style, so I sized up one in the length category just so they would be full length, because I'm not really a fan of cropped jeans unless they're skinny at my ankles. So let's see how these ones look. I love the colour of them. I love the kind of acid wash in literally every colour, so I can work with these. And yeah, let's give them a go. And I like the fact that with the grey ones or the black ones, the tag goes black as well. So I think that's a nice little addition. So let's just put them on and see what we're dealing with. So this is how these ones fit, and I mean they fit beautifully, but these ones were a little harder to wiggle on than the previous ones, which is funny because these ones are their curvy range, but I think that just means that the waist is a little bit tighter because these have a really nice waist on them. Like I can feel that the waist is a little bit smaller, and I love how they fit on. So there's plenty of room on my legs and my bum, nothing is too tight, and then the waist is a little bit of a tighter fit. So really, I love the fit of these. These ones are a little bit longer than the previous ones, so I got these in a length 29, which is pretty much perfect. So I would stick to that in mum jeans when ordering in the future for myself personally, but just keep that in mind. But I really like these, and I like the kind of grayscale kind of tones. I think they're a really fun pair. But I mean, the fit is beautiful. For mum jeans, this is really impressive that all the Hollister jeans I've tried, their fit is faultless, apart from length issues, which I knew anyway because they told me the length was what it was. That's it. So I really rate these. Like, they fit so nice, and I can move in them. Like, I'm not restricted. I can't get over that these are mum jeans that I can move in, which just tells you that it is just a design factor. Like, if they've actually thought about how to put them together for certain physiques, they will fit you. So no, I really rate these ones, so yeah. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll link everything down below if you'd like to check any of the jeans out, and I'll also link them in the order I tried them on just to try and keep things from getting confused. But thank you again for watching. My social media will also be in the description below if you'd like to check any of that out, and I do also have a second channel if you are into the kind of earth science world. I am very into my rocks and fossils, fashion and fossils. Very strange, I know, but if you'd like to check any of that out, please do. But look after yourselves, I hope you're all doing well, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching!